Also, having a chill is only training. It's for just a second. I didn't put anything. Hey, I'm live, ne? Just. There
The document.
This one, yeah?
Yeah.
Aye, man. And then, note. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, guys. I was in the kitchen. I told my little brother to make pap. Now the pot is overspilling, and my helper had to come now and help him. So in my house, 12 o'clock. We don't do breakfast, so lunch is at 12. Pap must be up and ready. I know that every day I gotta eat pap. Where's the 6, bro? The 6 is mine, bro. My little brother just posted it because he's planning on buying himself a 7 GTI or an R. RCG, oh man, amazing. Anyway, guys, welcome to the royalty team. Hope everybody in this live is trading with the biggest broker, best upcoming broker right now as we speak. He's like Papex saying, yes, he's Papex saying. In my house, guys, I eat pap in the morning. 12 o'clock, so I eat at 12, and then I eat again later on in the evening around 8. And I eat pap in the morning. That's the breakfast that I'm pale. Like, I want to do those fancy breakfasts if I'm not home, but when I'm home, I gotta stick to my roots. You know? It's comeback season, guys. It's comeback season. So I came on the live actually. I wanna speak about something, guys. Do you guys think we should I should do something for Mandela Day? So I was thinking, where's King Kelly? King Kelly is in the kitchen. Just signed up with RCG Markets. Welcome to the winning team. Welcome to the big team. So if you're right here on this live right now, what you want to do actually after the live, just make sure you sign up with RCG Markets, the best upcoming broker as we speak right now. You guys know me. I literally only speak if the broker is the best. I only trade with the best because we make big money, you know. With a million. So yeah, anyway, what's this broker that you're speaking of? It's called RCG Markets. RCG Markets, the real team, best upcoming. Anyway, Mandela Day is on Monday, I think. So I'm thinking, what should I do with my 67 minutes? I was thinking of maybe inviting a few people to my house since it's on a Monday. Then we trade, and then the profits that we make on the day, then we give to charity or something on the day. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe having a few guests, a few guests, some of my followers. So what do you guys think? So I mean, Mandela Day is coming, so I think it's about time that we give back, you know. So yeah, Troy said he will come to the house. Yeah. RCG could go by 2.8, and RCG is indeed the best. RCG is by far the best, my brother. But the 2.8, it's my bro. Go sort. RCG is by far the best. The best spreads, man. I'm not even capping. What's the spread for Nasdaq with RCG? Fund your account and trade, bro. You'll see it. Something like that's. I've traded with a lot of brokers, but RCG is definitely by far the best. Like when tracking back to like 2017, 2016. Looking at what something else, man. You know. You know what I mean? Just wanna do this 2 seconds. Let's do that. Delta. I was just dealing with somebody there. Delta them first. Yeah. So that's a good idea. So I'm thinking Mandela Day. Reserve for 6. So 67. What do you guys think, man? What is the What is the minimum deposit with RCG Markets? I think it's like 50 Rand. Yeah. RCG is the best. I can by far, bro. You know that, bro. You know what's the minimum deposit with RCG Markets? Come on, 50 Rand, like 50 Rand, I think. It's grind season. Stay registered through your link with RCG. God bless, man. That's not my link. It's the company link. Me, I'm just a trader. I'm just a Forex trader. So yeah. So do you guys agree with my idea? Just come on the live to hear that whether you guys like it. So Monhla day is 67 minutes. I'm thinking of just staying home, inviting a few traders over. Then we trade on the day, and the money that we make goes to charity. Or at least the one that I will make will go to charity. So yeah. Monhla day is on Monday, so yeah. How long are the withdrawal period for RCG Markets? It's literally about, I think, 2 to 3 hours maximum. You know, but you should get your withdrawals within the first hour of the withdrawal. Like if you make a withdrawal at 10, you'll get it probably like latest around 12. Yeah, you know. Self-made cheese boy. Beyond that, bro. Beyond that. To call myself a self-made cheese boy will be disrespecting myself. I've been through shit that cheese boys don't ever experience. Does RCG have micro accounts? Yes, it does have. It does have micro accounts. When is the... Oh shit, then Brian. RCG family, RCG best. So you guys know that I only trade with the best, you know. So I would do yesterday. But just make sure that your account is verified. Just speak to your account manager, check if your account is verified. You know? And been practicing for a while, and I'm failing to fund my account, bro. Can you help? What can help? Funding, bro. And help with funding. Leadership, can you do a YouTube video on the session on the session of Monhla Day? Yeah, I'll try. I'll try my best to have it yeah, like videographed. I'll try my best to take a video of everything, and yeah, I'll try my best. I can't promise, but for sure. Is RCG Markets a South African broker? Of course, bro. Of course. What are you eating, fam? Grey apple. I'm eating an apple. That's all on US30. RCG Markets the best by far. The best. What kind of apple is that one, sir? Yo. What's the bonus in RCG Markets? They actually have a bonus account that's gonna be coming very soon. So I think like next month or something. Can't wait for that, because already they're a raw account. So the best account that I prefer is the raw and classic. The leverage is about 1 to 2,000, so it's as good as the leverage you get on those bonus accounts and all of that. Remember that, yeah, you know. So it's as good as the non-drawdown bonus accounts. Because the leverage is very high, very comfortable. You're able to multiply. So yeah, it's it's easy for me. I found it very easy over the past few weeks to grow account. Like I take account from 5K, 50, 20K clipper. It's easy to multiply with others. That's the best. And the spreads, bro. The spreads are uncomparable. Cannot be compared. They cannot be compared to anything. What type of local RCG market is? It's a stock exchange broker. It's a Forex trading broker. Already in trades with RCG Markets. Welcome to the big team. Does RCG Markets have micro accounts? Yes, it's called, I think it's the STP. Yeah. The account manager will be able to help with that. How do you link up with RCG Market? Just gotta click on the link in their bio. Go to the RCG Markets profile, Instagram, go search the handle RCG Markets, hit the follow button, and click on the link in the bio. And make sure you create an account with RCG Markets, the best trusted broker right now. By far, the best upcoming broker. You know? Do you have a group where you drop signals? Do I have a group where I drop signals? Nah. I'm saying, come on, bro. Of course, I've got a whole community, bro. Every day, free, for free. Anyway, one more thing, guys. So tell me, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the relaunch of Wealth Kings? Should I reopen Wealth Kings and make all lessons and all tours and all teachings for free and extremely free? Do you guys support the relaunch of Wealth Kings? Can I have somebody? Let's hear that. ECN or raw? I prefer raw, but both, any though. But raw. So my best account type is the raw, and the second one is classic. Then is the ECN. But raw is legit. It's proper. Yeah. How are the spreads on RCG? The best. The best you've ever did, unlike none, like I don't know, can't describe, I can't even. I support it, of course. Oh, so you guys wanna? Did you guys want me to relaunch the company? Actually, Wealth Kings, should we bring the bro? I rate you relaunch, but price it. People don't. Okay, let's hear this guy. Bro, I rate you relaunch, but price it. People don't appreciate free content. They end up teaching your strategies to people for money. Jeez. But then what happens to the people? What happens to the people who need the knowledge but don't have the money, bro? That's what I want to do for free. What happens to the people who need the knowledge but don't have the money?